Welcome to our sneaker review with the Stranger and Suede. Today we're looking at a brand different from the usual brands that I do, Adidas, Nike and all that. We're looking at a shoe that's made by Clarks. Now I know that Clarks is not a brand that sneakerheads would usually rock, but this is the shoe that you need to check out. Clarks is a brand that's best known in India for their formal and semi-formal shoes, but they also have a Clarks Originals line which features their Wallaby, which is a butterfly, which features the Wallaby, which is a moccasin style shoe, and the Desert Boot, which is an iconic boot which was inspired by the crepe sole suede boots worn by soldiers in World War II. The Clarks Tritonic Flex is a completely new and original design. It features a segmented outsole and a pebble leather upper. So let's look at these things in detail. The outsole of the shoe is the most interesting part for me. It's been decoupled, as in there are three parts to it. So this shoe was designed by Brad Inderkumar, who's done a really good job merging the past and the present into one shoe. The first thing you notice about the outsole is that it's made by Vibram. Vibram is a very old company that's been manufacturing rugged outsoles for shoes. It was started by an Italian mountain climber named Vitali Brahmani. Now, he started this company after he lost 6 of his friends during a climb due to their dubious footwear. 2 years later, he managed to get funding from the Pirelli company, the tire company, yes, and started Vibram. Today, you can find Vibram outsoles in almost all technical footwear, and in fact, the first successful climb of K2, the second highest mountain in the world, was done by a team wearing Vibram outsole shoes. Taking a more detailed look at the outsole, you can see that there's a separate section for your toes to flex, and if you look at the medial side, there's an articulated section that hugs the ball joint of your foot, and for all of you heel strikers, the heel is articulated as well. Now if you notice, the entire outsole is actually glued onto one piece of leather, and this piece of leather wraps around your foot so that your foot is cradled in it. That's the essence of moccasin construction, other than the traditional Strobel construction which you see on normal running shoes and most shoes that are made nowadays. But gluing the outsole onto the leather was a tricky engineering feat. That's what Clarks says. I'm not sure how long it will last, but it looks really good, and time will tell how long it lasts. There's a Clarks logo on the heel as well as a Vibram logo, and you have the same detail underneath, and if you look closely, it says decoupled on the middle section. Now all this flexibility means that the shoe can do this. The full EVA outsole also means that the shoe is really light. Because of the Vibram outsole, you will get a lot of traction as well. Not like you're gonna go hiking in these. I hope you don't, because the upper is sweet suede. Something else that's unique about this shoe is that it's cut from an asymmetric last, as you can see, which means that it follows the shape of your foot. As a result, you might find that this shoe runs a little wider, so it's advisable to size down. As you can see, there is a pebbled suede upper and a smoother suede used on the bottom half, which gives it a really sweet two-tone effect. The insole is a single solid piece of leather, and there's your heel counter. It's not much, but offers good support due to the moccasin construction, and there's a Tritonic logo on the insole as well as a Clarks Original stamp. This should mold really nicely to your foot over time. Overall, this is an extremely ergonomic shoe. You can feel that when you walk in them, and the whole shoe is made from just 12 pieces. That amounts to an extremely efficient manufacturing process that results in less waste as well. So let's take a look at how these look on feet. With the Tritonic Flex, Clarks has successfully managed to merge the past with the present, and this shoe has enough throwbacks to their earlier shoes and their dress shoes, and while still pushing Clarks into a new era of footwear. It's always nice to receive shoes in a box that looks like 3 people sat on it. Thank you DTDC Couriers for doing a wonderful job. That's all for this review, guys. Like if you liked the video, and let me know what you think of the shoe in the comments, because this is something completely different. And subscribe for more shoe videos, and check out the full post on the blog.